Ah, my hands are so tiny. Guys, it's kind of embarrassing. Like you can see my hands now. I don't know. I'm kind of getting embarrassed. Okay, guys, this is the secret between you and I. All right, you and I. You guys, those hands, you never saw it. Pinky promise. Pinky promise. Gosh, it's so hard to do a pinky promise. Ha! キリトスターバーストストリームえいえいえいななななななななだななな夢ならばどれほどよかったでしょうなななななななな教えてくれたべ Okay, when you're being a big chef, one of the most important things is to keep your kitchen clean and hygienic. Just like that. Come on. Hygienic. What's wrong with you? Come on. You're done already. Alright. We have a first order. First order. 入りました。はい、いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。This is perfect. はい。お上がりや。Ah, God. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with this lemon? Okay. Wow! We have almost a perfect! I forgot! Ah! Gosh. What's wrong with you? What? So you have your own will. Didn't work. Here we go. Go. Oh. Is he dead? Did you enjoy my dangerous subject? Perfect. All right, here we go. Okay. Yes! Woo! Woohoo! Gosh, I even have a tip. Like it's pretty easy. Why do you have such a feature, guys? Oh, my knife! Here it is. So you always start by the skin part. Yes. Chef advice. Vezalius Bandage. Yes. Can I make it? I cannot make that. Oh. I didn't mean to do that. Gosh, it's so hard to aim. Oh, let's go. Let's go. We are crazy. Oh wait, it's not on. I wonder if you can light up another firework with it. Hi! With another one. Hi! Gosh, it's so hard. Maybe I should do it like this. Whoa. It's pretty good. You like this? Oh! Fire! Fire! Actually... Oh, fuck! 爆発落ちなんて最低